Hello kids, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine and so am I. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap, and our today's topic is slanting lines from left to right. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what do we see here? In this picture, we see a sun which is yellow in color, and a flower. Which flower is this? This is called sunflower. Okay, this is called sunflower, and this is sun. Both the things start from letter S. Do you know that? This is sun and this is sunflower. Okay, now what the sun is doing here? Sun rays are coming towards the flower. Sun rays are coming towards the flower, and then flowers bloom. Okay, when sun rays come toward this flower, the flower blooms. And you know, when the sun shines, do you know that? In the morning. Sun shines in the daytime, in the morning. When you wake up in the morning from the sleep, you see what? You see sun in the sky. Okay, you see sun in the sky. So when do you see the sun? आप कब देखते हैं sun? In the morning. In the morning time, we see sun. Okay, so we have to make slanting lines, but you know there are two types of slanting lines, from left to right, and the other one is from right to left. But in this class, we will learn only about slanting lines from left to right. Now, please raise your left hand, everyone. Raise your left hand. Okay, and your right hand. This one is your right hand, and this one is your left hand. So, what we have to do here? We have to start with the left first. Okay, we will start with the left first. We will start with the left and go to the right. How we start here? We will start from left, and then we will make a slanting line, and then we'll go to the right towards the flower and stop here. Okay, now let's do one more time. Start from the sun, that is from the left, and move towards the right and stop here. Okay, now one more time. Start from the sun, yes, and go towards the flower and stop here. This is what? This is a slanting line from left to right. Okay, now one more time. Start from the sun and stop here. Very good. Now one more time. Start from here, left to right. Now this is what? This is a slanting line. Now quickly raise your finger and make a slanting line with me. Come on everyone. From left to right. From left to right. So your finger should come towards right. Like this. Okay. From left to right. From left to right. This is called slanting lines. Okay. I hope that you have understood that how to draw slanting line from left to right. Okay class, now in the next class we will learn about slanting line from right to left. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.